na mismo, I'll tag myself as that fake dentist. Kasi, yes, ako yun.
Hello everyone, I'm Yado Caro and we are here for a special episode of In Focus with V-Tan, the controversial V-Tan. So, malalaman natin ano bang storya ni V-Tan? Paano siya naging successful at paano niya binago ang kanyang buhay sa pagiging virtual assistant? So, let's welcome Miss V-Tan.
Hi everyone. So yeah, this is Veronica Tan. You can call me V. So yeah, I'm happy that finally we've planned this for a very long time.
Yeah, diba? At finally natuloy na din,
yes.
Diba? At nandito na tayo, of course. So, kamusta ka na? How are you?
I'm doing great. I feel better. I feel really better this past few years and much even better this past few days because finally I'm going to say my truth and I'm going to say my side. I haven't been said for a very long time.
Wow, that's really interesting, ano. Pero before tayo pupunta diyan, no, can you introduce yourself to our audience? I'm sure may mga iba dyan na hindi pa nakakilala sa iyo. So, sino ba to si V-Tan?
Ako jud ay isang batang Jensan. Dako jud kong
wow, batang Jensan.
Yes, batang Jensan. Batang Silway. Alright. So I came from a little bit of a big family. My lolo and my lola are from Silway, Pedro at Sharon Boulevard, Barangay West, and my lolo used to be a kanang kagawad.
Wow, so yes. Political ano pala ito?
Yes,
may political family.
Yeah, di naman. Pero, you know, I came from a very big family. So, family-oriented din naman talaga ang aking family. So, I went to kaning elementary school, Catholic school, Notre Dame, Espina, then transferred to Stratford, and then went to Holy Trinity College. And then ALS. I'm a ALS graduate. I'm proud to be ALS graduate. Kahit na hindi naman ako natapos ko ang aking high school, pero I was not able to pay yung aking school fees. And by that, at that time, hindi hindi kagaya ngayon. Pasalamat tayo sa ating mga
madali nang
senator ngayon na nagpasa, kung sino man ang nagpasa, hindi ko alam. Pero yung mga nagpasa na pwede ka nang magmarcha ng kahit na hindi ka fully pay. Kasi at that time, hindi ako...
may school policy na for that na kahit hindi ka fully paid, pero makaka-graduate ka, makakapasok ka.
At that time, we were so scared. So I took the alternative learning system also. Yeah, graduated top of my class. Wow! Bakit ko ng kayo? Hindi nila alam, galing pa na HTC. Matalino na doon, binalipat lang.
Well, that's interesting, ano. So, now na you are a VA. So, can you briefly tell us, ano ba paano ka ba napunta dito sa VA na to?
Before, I was just a normal teenager, normal person trying to survive. Before pa ako nag-VA, madami muna ako nadaanan.
Wow.
Yeah, seriously talking. I also tried to survive. I tried different things. You know, discover kung ano ang gusto ko sa buhay ko. Lahat naman tayo dumadaan sa ganun. So, first was, since both of my ninong Edward and my ninong Tani, growing up, mahilig sila sa computer. So, growing up talaga, nag-i-edit na ng mga, hindi pa uso yung Photoshop noon. They call it another software before. Tinuturuan ako ng mga ninong
editing,
ko. Editing, yes.
Is that video,
Photos, kasi it's for fun. You know, parang masaya kasi parorin na, in one
hindi
photo.
ba yan sa Microsoft or something?
Ay, ganun pa rin. Nakalimutan ko na.
Yung mga 90s pa siguro na.
Yes, una pa talaga na Adobe Photoshop noon. So, may ninong taught me. So, since naturuan naman ako, gumawa ng mga layout. Ang first ko na summer job was actually a layout artist sa isang tarpaulin, printing tarpaulin.
Oh.
Oo. So, doon pa lang, nahasa na talaga yung aking skills na magawa ng mga election
Wow, election pa rin.
I'm seriously, seriously talking. I created yung mga election
Election materials.
Yes, oo. Nag-over I was like 16 years old or 15 years old at the time. Summer job. Kasi sabi ko nga, tinuturuan kami ng magulang namin na hindi lahat ng kaya namang bilhin ng nanay at tatay ko. Tsaka andyan yung mga tsahin ko to help us out. Yung lolo ko, pwede na maraming magbigay. Pero, since we grew up on a Chinese culture, that everything that you want, kailangan mo paghirapan. Yes, pagtrabahuan. So, sabi ng nanay ko, you can work, you're 15, you want summer job, kausapin ko si ganito, ganyan. I don't wanna mention kasi he's also in the politics right now.
No mention of names.
Yes. Nakapasok ako sa trabaho, summer job ako doon. So nahasa din naman yung skills ko sa paggawa ng mga birthday tarpaulins, election tarpaulins, and any event, baptismal and so on. Even funeral tarpaulins.
Wow, ano mo na?
Ganon. Tapos gumawa pa ng mga build-ups, something like that. So mag-eyelet. So I've done that. So I was very young age. Tapos, pagkatapos nun, nakapagtrabaho ako dito sa isang internet cafe. It was a very big internet cafe dyan sa may...
Yung sikat ba yan somewhere in
Sa Pulyado.
Yes.
Yung pinakaunang internet cafe na membership, swipe.
Yes,
Naka-card, may username and all. So, I worked there. After that one, I was like, getting old. Na ako. Slowly na may mga bad things, bad decisions. Bata ako. I was young. I was young, Yado, ha. Nabulag din naman ako sa pera.
Speaking of that, you are very open and honest about your dark past, should I say? So can you tell us about it?
Before kasi, I used to hide it. Pero matagal pala ako nakulong doon. And it hurts me na parang naging secluded. Sabi nga ng nanay ko, sobrang lumit yung mundo ko. Because I've done these bad things and every time that I go out and present myself, I try to be the new person that I wanted to be. People will always
associate ka sa ganon.
You look familiar. I think I saw you somewhere. And yung confidence ko, wala na, nawawala, umuurong. Kaya sabi ko sa kapatid ko, parang ayoko na. Kaya nun, after that one, I started to be like, you want it? Well, ako na mismo, I'll tag myself as that fake dentist. Kasi, yes, ako yun. I am that person. It's something that I cannot deny. Kasi hindi ko naman mapalitan yung mukha ko. Saan mapalitan ko yung mukha ko? Nandiyan na lahat sa... It's in the newspaper. It's
all over social media.
Not just social media, even in news. It was a news.
Yeah, na-headline ka nun.
Yes, headline at that time.
So how did you handle that? That scene, that moment na nangyari nun?
It was hard and it was shocking because it was not hindi yun isang, what do you call that, one-woman show. It's not a one-woman show. I have a team. When we were doing the clinic, I have a team. So imagine knowing that this team, lahat kami,
involved.
Yes, involved. So someone has to step up.
So ikaw talaga yung...
Yes, I stood up.
Sinalo mo yung lahat.
Yes, I told all of yung mga kasama ko doon. Kasi hindi lang ako yun. Sabi ko sa kanila, you'll go home. You will go home. I promise you that you will go home. I will admit it. Ako. Kasi ako naman ang utak nito eh. Go home. Kaya yun, I've learned na hindi naman sa parang sounded like you're proud doing it. I'm not proud. Imagine mo, it's not just me.
Your family.
My mother,
Mm.
especially my sisters. My sisters are trying to live their own life. And I have a son. May anak ako. At that time, I have a 6 months old kid. Imagine the moment that we were caught doing it, caught in the act doing it. It was actually not doing it. It was
The other
the other person
staff, oh.
who's doing it. Was caught in the act, but then I admitted it for him. When we were in the station, I didn't cry. There's no tears in me. But when my mother came out of the door, that's when I shed my tears. Kasi hindi naman ako mahiya kung mapanood ako sa
TV, national TV.
Yeah, I don't really care. It's just that I'll go home to a crying mother, which really pains me kasi kawawa yung nanay ko.
Anong reaction ng mother mo that time? As
She
in,
was so strong.
hindi siya nag-breakdown?
No, she was so strong. She was so strong.
Ikaw yung nag-breakdown?
No, I tried not to cry.
Mm.
I tried not to cry because she will always tell me na I will handle this. Every mother will shelter their own children talaga. Walang nanay na pabayaan ka lang. And that's really, as a mother right now ha, kung pwede lang ikaw na. So imagine yung anak mo doon may posas. Tapos ipapalabas sa TV.
Yeah.
Alam mo, first time, my mother is known as a very strong woman. Kung makita niyo ako ngayon, like, she can handle it. You haven't seen my mom. My mom, lahat ng mga sa Chinese community, she's known to be, like, you know, my bosses talagang nanay ko. Pero at that time, she begged. First time I saw her begging. You know, sabi niya, please, huwag niyo na lang palabas sa TV. She was even trying to grab me. Anak, please, usap ka. Just say sorry. You're what, 19?
19 ka pa noon?
Yeah, I was 19.
Mm.
I was 19, I was so young. Sabi niya, anak, please. I don't know what to do. And the head of the dental association that time was our family friend. Tindig ang balahibo ko. It's our family friend. And she doesn't know. And when she saw me, she was like...
Shock?
She was shocked. And she's like, I didn't know. We thought it's a boy.
Mm.
It's a man. It's a male.
Mm.
Glo, I didn't know that it's your child. I didn't know that it's your daughter. I didn't even know that it's Texine. I didn't know. Ay siya na, anak, sabihin mo yung totoo. You have to tell them that ikaw lang yung nagmamarket.
Mm.
But you're not really doing it. I was not doing it. But I have to. Kasi, ako naman nag-iisip eh.
Anong reaction ng other family members mo, ng community, with that incident?
Because I live in a compound. I live in a compound in Siluay. They are very protective of me. Yung mga tiyahin ko, yung ninang ko. Very protective. Like, are you okay? Everybody's trying to, we close the gate, which usually are open kasi we're really open with kayo mga naghahingi ng tulong sa amin. They're trying to protect me. Pero I cannot take the pain of them protecting me. Kasi parang akin to eh. Matagal yung inalagaan yung apelyido natin, matagal yung inalagaan yung pangalan natin, tapos ako lang
makasira.
Makasira.
Mm.
So I had to leave. I left. And then I cut ties.
With them?
Not just with the
family?
My extended family. lumipat with my main family, my sister. Kasi ang hirap for me, sa akin ha, mahirap yung, di ba ate mo si ano?
Oo, ma-associate. Oo.
Oo. Kaya whenever they say, there are photos of them that I am not included. I always tell like, sige, take your photo. Ako na lang mag-take ng picture. I don't wanna include myself. Mas lalo yung nag-worst this past few years na mas lalo siya naging worst. So, yun, after that one,
How many years ka ba na nakulong or
I was not, hindi ako nakulong.
Okay. Para klaro lang.
Klaro lang. I was not in prison. Hindi ako nakulong. I was detained.
Okay.
In an office with a okay bed. So, comfortable naman ako. Hindi ako.
So bakit hindi ka nakulong? Ano bang for the knowledge na lang of everybody? Ano bang
Kasi
nangyari?
ang ating law, which is the Dental Act of 2007. Syempre ikakaso pa rin naman yan.
So dadaan sa proseso.
Yes, dadaan pa rin sa proseso. I-filing ka and then you have to defend yourself. You also need to it's a very long case. It took us 10 years. 10 years bago pa nagkaroon ng
Decision ng court.
Yeah, kasi it's a very very long and tedious process. And it's bailable. So I was able to bail. My mother bailed me out. And then, yeah, I left. And then I tried to continue my life in a call center in Cebu City. Tried to continue my life as a call center agent. Tapos yun, doon na, pagbalik ko ng Jensen, I met my husband right now. And, you know, siguro, sama man pakinggan. Since I was already labeled as the criminal.
The scammer.
So, sabi ko, total, it's already labeled as a criminal and scammer. Kahit hindi naman ako may gawa. Let me do it now. Na ako. So, I did it. And I admitted in the court that I did it. So again, kulong naman akong 2 araw.
Okay.
Sabi nga, ano nga yung kasabihan nila? The first time was a mistake.
Third time is yung, yeah.
Well, it's too much already. Something like that. I don't want to do the third time because I already met the father of my children. It's the first time na hindi ako nahiya para sa sarili ko. And kasi after nung mga ganong situation, naging NPA, no permanent address.
So palipat-lipat ka na?
Yes, every 2 weeks lipat. Pinakamatagal ko 3 months sa isang lugar. Lipat naman ako. And then I met this wonderful man, the father of my children, who makes me feel secure. No, this is our home. You have to stay. This is the first time that I stayed in one roof for a very long time. So, kailangan kong umayos. Not for me, but for him. For our growing family. So, kaya ko natayo yung aking sweet cravings. Yes. Doon na ako nagkaroon ng chance. And it was a very painful and very hard start. Kasi I start with nothing. Literally nothing. I was pregnant on my
second or third? Okay.
Third child. Tapos yon? I can still remember the date. October 27 nang na-detain ako. Lumabas ako ng October...
That's 2019.
Tapos lumabas ako ng October 31. Buti nga, hindi pa umabot ng November 1.
Oo, kasi holiday.
Oo, matatagalan tayo sa neto. Ganon. So, nakalabas naman ako ng 31 bago yung holiday. At ito yung kasagsagan ng lindol.
Yeah.
Na sobrang lakas ng mga lindol. Imagine na sa loob ka ng ng prison
Detention,
cell.
oo.
Detention.
Mm.
You have to go out. Kasi malakas yung lindol. Tapos, and then, bago ka pa makalabas, kasi kailangan lang pusasan ulit, bago ka ilabas, hahawakan ka, each one of you, kasama ng mga kakosa ko doon, mga kakosa ko, pupusasan kayo, tapos talabas kayo.
Hindi ka ba
Paantay-
nagpanic nun?
Hindi, I was so ashamed. First time in my life. I was so
Kasi-
ashamed.
Pinalabas kayo and with the posas, di ba?
Oo. First time ko na nahiya talaga ako ng sobra-sobra. Nahiya ako kasi hindi na mama ko yung nasa labas ng other side of the prison. It's my partner and my son. He was outside waiting for me.
Ano bang feeling na na-judge ka or tinawag kang scammer?
I think I deserve it. It's the truth. I think I deserve it. Because, yeah, masakit man sabihin, I was a fraud. That's the truth. I have to process it. It's not a day or a month of processing, accepting it. Because that's the truth.
How's your family dealing with it? Like your husband, your children?
Yung asawa ko, it took him a very long time to accept it. Pero he did accept it. Sabi nga niya, hindi man kita pa hinarap sa Diyos at sinabing sa hirap at ginhawa, Mommy, I will die for you. And that's the truth. Knowing my husband, knowing Carlo, really protect me. I know he will. So, kaya yun, nagbagong buhay namin. Kaya, sobrang sama ng loob ko. Because, we tried our best. I tried my best to not to go back. Kasi it's an addiction.
Mm-mm.
For me, money is an addiction. It's already addicting because you're receiving a lot of money. Which is, sabi nga nila, hindi lang shabu ang nakaka-addict. Money, nakaka-addict ang pera. So I tried. Kaya sobrang sama nitong recently na crusade that I really tried to, say my piece about this politician. Running candidate.
Oh.
Yeah, running candidate. Di pa pala siya politician. Because you brought so much pain, not to me, to my business. Na pinalago ko simula sa baba hanggang pataas. And, alam mo tong, I don't know if you are familiar with this movie, yung Sing, with Moon,
no.
the other singers, yung mga there was the gorilla, the elephant. Our Sweet Cravings is something like that.
Never mind what this person you don't even know said. Do you think you're good enough?
Of course.
Then you must fight for what you believe in. Guts, stamina, faith. These are the things you need now, and without them, well, maybe that scout was right. Maybe you're not good enough.
I am the moon in our family in Sweet Cravings. Kasi, just to give you a context how it was created, hiningi ko yan sa Diyos. Sa dami-dami kong, hindi na kasi ako naniniwala. No. Meron,
no?
Yes, nakikinig pa siya sa akin. Pero hiningi ko yan. Of all the things. I didn't even pray to go out. Yung nasa loob na ako ng detention, I didn't even pray. Mayabang pa nga ako. I didn't even pray. Pero yun kasi, hiningi ko yun. Sabi ko, I was in the middle of lane 19 in Gaisano Mall, Jensen. March 26, 2020. I can still remember it. Kasi, lockdown yun. Yun yung unang lockdown natin na 4 na araw sinundan ng Holy Week yun.
Holy Week, oo.
Sinundan ng Saturday, Sunday. So lahat ng tao nag-i-stuck ngayon kasi it would be a very long lockdown and you cannot go out. So, yun na yung, excuse me, parang if you have money, makabili ka. Paano kung wala kang pera?
Wala kang stock.
Wala kang stock, kawawa ka. Imagine nandun ako sa lane 19. Everybody's grabbing their things. I just gave birth. Hindi pa umabot ng 1 month yung anak ko. I just gave birth, Yadu, to a beautiful bouncing baby girl. Andun ako, everybody's grabbing yung mga box ng
Essentials,
mga gatas. Box, lalaking package ng mga diapers. Oo. Ang pera ko, 1,800 pesos. And kahit na may nahawakan ka na, you can't afford. You have to choose ngayon. Ano ba pipiliin ko?
Pagkain ba? Or...
Pagkain ko?
Oh.
O pagkain ng anak ko? I prayed. Tapos the time, I was shaking. I was holding the
Card.
I was shaking. Sabi ko, narinig mo pa ba ako? You have to help me. If you can't help me, help my children. I have 3 na umaasa sa akin. Please. Alam ko marami kang inuuna ngayon, pero
pagbigyan mo ako.
please, siguro ayoko naman na may mga manghingi ng mga cancer dyan.
Oo.
Parang kapal naman ng mukha ko na hingi. Alam ko makapal ang mukha ko para hingin ko to sa'yo, pero please, tulungan mo kami. Huwag mo kong iwan, kaya I might follow you there. Sige, bahala ka dyan. 2 tayo dyan sa langit. Kung mapunta man ako dyan, makabukas, hindi lang ako matagpuan dito. Hindi ko lang alam kung sa langit ako mapunta o doon sa baba. Hindi din alam. Pero kung dyan man ako, bahala ka dyan. 2 tayo dyan. So, pinagbigyan ako. Masabihin, char. Ngayon, it's not a char. Pero, I was holding my cart. I was praying so hard. And then finally, parang alam mo yung may nag-sparkle in my eyes. Yung itong all-purpose cream. Yung Nestle all-purpose cream.
Oo, yung pang mango float, o ganun.
Parang it sparkled. Honestly speaking, parang it was shed by a light. I was like, wow, may pa-effect. Wow, ha?
May ganun pa-effect.
OA na. Parang ganun. Pero, I didn't realize. Kasi ito, hindi siya essential. So, naka-promo siya, buy one, take one. Sino ba naman, ano yung iulam mo? Lahat, everybody's buying noodles, everybody buys ng mga dilata. Oo. Yung mga essential, bigas, gano'n. So, yun siya. Galing yun ng mga Pasko. Ano pa nga, yari yung mga Christmas, Christmas pa nga ng mga sale. Naka-buy one, take one. I took the sabi ko, I'll take this opportunity. Binili ko. Yung 1/8 ko, binili ko ng...
Lahat yun?
Hinati ko. Itong all-purpose cream at saka itong cheese, cream cheese. Hinati ko yung pera ko. Inubos ko. Umuwi ako sa bahay ko. Galit na galit yung asawa ko. Sabi niya, anong kainin natin? Sabi ko siya, pagdidiin mo muna yung bata sa akin. May gatas pa naman ako. Sabi ko, maglaba ka ng lampin dyan. Oo, totoo. Pero, sabi ko, ginawa ko yun kasi hindi mo kailangan ng, if it is not a baked cheesecake.
Oo.
Pwede ka namang walang oven. So, by hand, I created a cheesecake. Yung aking 1/8, nakagawa ng 5 cheesecake. Nakagawa ng 5 chocolate mousse. Kasi yung nanay ko, graduate ng Gerardo's.
Wow.
Yeah! Top of her class.
Wow.
Shout out, Sir Jerry. So yeah, kapagawa kami ng cake. And because I made this 5 cakes, I asked my sister, kasi hindi ako pwede mga Facebook.
Because of the incident?
Yes, because of the incident. Hindi ako pwede mga Facebook. Sabi ko sa mga kapatid ko, they didn't even know na nasa Jensen ako. People doesn't even know na nasa Jensen ako. Inampun ako ng kapatid ko. Sabi niya, sige, ako na mag-picture. Kaya matagal walang muka yung Sweet Cravings. Kasi hindi nila alam na ako yung may-ari. I cannot go out in the public. So, benta naman, naging 5,000.
Wow!
From 1,800. Oh, sabi ko sa asawa ko, huyok ngayon. It's not about the money. Ganun, singer ang lola mo. Hindi, pero bumalik ako kinabukasan doon sa G-Mall. Nanghiram ako ng class. Kasi di ba by cluster yun? Nanghiram ako ng other cluster. Sabi ko sa nanay. Kasi sino ba yung nanay ko? Sabi ko, kayo na yung sunod. Baka pwedeng meet up mo ko sa Gisano. Hiramin mo muna ko ng cluster card. Pero mapasok ako. So, nabili ko yung 2.5. Hinati ko. 2.5. Binili ko ng essence. Mga gamit ng anak ko. Yung 2.5. Ingredients ulit. So, ayun na. Nagawa ko. And imagine, I was knocking at kasi yung kapatid ko, may mga maliliit din siyang baby. So, I have to leave her house.
So, saan kayo lumipat?
Doon kami lumipat sa Maros. Hiningi ko din yun sa Diyos. Yadu, hiningi ko yun. Sabi ko, sana makahanap ako ng malipatan na pwede ako magbenta. Kasi yung harapan ng Maros, it's highway. Mabuhay road. So, pwede lang ako magbenta. Pick up lang, ganun. Tsaka, sinira namin yung harapan nun, ginawa namin
parang
maliit na
karinderya.
Hindi, maliit na
store or shop?
Shop, cake shop. Very small. Kaya lang, pag pumasok kayo, 3 lang kayo pwede pumasok doon. Kung customer kayo, 3 lang kayo pwede pumasok doon. So, imagine mo, nasa harap ka ng highway, wala kang puhunan. No one will believe you. Wala kang face value. Kano kang mahirap pera.
Yeah, from that incident pa, diba?
Tsaka, walang tatanggap sa'yo ng trabaho. Walang maniniwala sa'yo. Ngayon nga na may mga ganda akong trabaho, wala kang maniniwala sa akin. Ano pa noon na wala kang pera, wala kang magandang trabaho, wala ka lahat. So basically, you're really starting from scratch. Ang sabi ko sa may-ari nung bahay. I'd like to thank you, Miss Julie Amadeo.
Special shout out.
Yes, pinagbigyan niya kami na marentahan yung bahay niya ng imbis na 1 month advance, 2 months deposit. 1 month advance lang muna. Followed na lang yung deposit. Tapos, yung may-ari nung parang delivery rider noon, nagdi-deliver ng mga cake namin. Kasi parang wala pang maxing noon.
Wala pa.
So, yung ibang para mabuhay yung ibang
para mga DIY na
So gumawa sila, may sarili silang mga delivery, team na delivery team na sa online lang din sila nagano. So shoutout din ako kay Ma'am Rachel. Siya yung nagbigay sa amin ng nagpautang ng materyales kasi may hardware siya para mapatayo yung aming maliit na shop. Matigas po. Ang kapal ang mukha ko noon. Sabi ko 1 month to pay. Mabro 1 year.
Hindi ka naman pinost sa Facebook,
Ay, hindi naman. Mabait naman sila. Hindi naman sila ganon. Mabait naman sila. So, at saka, nagbibigay daw ako ng mga cake. Kahit nasa mga
at least to compensate
to compensate. Yung kakapalan ng mukha ko. So, ganon nga nangyari. Tapos, yun, nag-viral kami. Nag-viral kami.
Dahil, bakit kayo na-viral?
Kasi yung cake namin, una-una, masarap. Hindi naman dahil kasi gawa ko. Pero masarap talaga siya. Tapos, sobrang mura niya. Imagine mo, makakabili ka ng 2 cake. Premium hindi chiffon. Isang premium, which is yung moist, any moist cake, pwedeng chocolate moist or mango, we call that one yung premium, or strawberry cake. And then you paired it with yung aming special cake, which is not the premium, just the ordinary cake. Yun yung mga mocha, yung mga ube, kasi those are made from chiffon. Sponge cake. So, for 799 pesos, 2 na ang...
So, 2 cakes na.
Yes.
Gano'n ba kalaki nun? Gano'n siya kalaki?
8 inches na cake. Malaki. 8 by 4 inches. So, malaki siyang cake. So, parang tipid na. Actually, 7.9 na. I think
so, kaya pala siya dinagsa?
Sobra.
Because of that?
Sobra. As in, like, imagine mo, dati from 10 cakes, ay nagkagawa na kami ng tag 100.
Wow.
Per day.
So,
Per
kamusta
day
ang
na.
production nyo nun? I mean,
Ay, nako. Dito,
because of the
kaya-
bulk of orders.
Kaya dyan sumama yung loob ko. Kasi sabi ko nga sa'yo, binuo ko yung team ko. We're like yung Sing. We are from nothing. I was from nothing. Yung aking tigluto, yung aking baker,
Mm.
is also from nothing. Hindi, wala nga siyang idea na mag-bake. Kasi ang in-applyan niya sa akin, yaya, tighugas.
So, biglang shift ang role.
Oo, sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo ba ate, habang nagbe-bake ako, sabi niya, alam mo ba ate, pangarap ko maging baker. Sabi ko, sige, rin natin ang pangarap mo.
So, instant.
Tinuruan ko siya. Imagine mo, ibibigay mo yung secret mong ingredients to a person.
Na wala kang connection.
Wala kang connection and all. I connected with her heart to heart. Alam ko na she will not betray me.
Mm.
And fortunately, even if she's no longer working with me.
Pinurso niya ang baking or?
No, pero it took her like, she worked with me for 3 years. 3 years siya nag-bake sa akin. And sabi nga niya, pwede naman na ako
Mag-bake.
mag-bake. Pero that's your secret ingredients. I
Mm.
will not use it nor even give it to other people.
Wow.
Yes. And alam mo, masaya din naman itong nangyari. Kasi naalala ko yung mga tao na
Tumulong sa'yo.
yes, na who was there for me. Yung aking isa pa na baker, tsaka yung isa kong frosting, na natuto lang din. Imagine mo.
Out of that, no?
Yes, we are from out of walang wala. Tapos, sobrang sikat na namin. Sabi ko, kaya pa ba? Kaya ba ba? Natutulog kami. Maniwala kasi hindi.
So, dahil hype na kayo, so marami ng orders.
Yes. Natutulog kami. Tatapos kami ng production 1 a.m. Gigising kami ng 5.
Wow.
Yes. Because we have to prepare it. Kasi marami kami order. Tapos yung aking delivery boy, mag-isa lang siya. Isa lang siya. Kaya nga, marami kaming mga maxim that time. Imagine mo, dati kung makakita kami ng 100, pagka Mother's Day, Father's Day, ano yan?
Doble ang orders.
1,000, 2,000 pieces. Ganun kadami. Ganun kami dinadagsa. So I was invited by this male host in
Jansan.
in Jansan
Mm.
na to feature my business. Sabi niya na, "Uy, maganda yung negosyo mo, pangkabuhayan. Are you available tomorrow 6 a.m.?"
Wow.
Bukas agad yun. Bukas ka agad yun. Sabi ko na, sandali lang. Hindi. Alam mo, I was so hyped for the orders and stuff. Biglang, for other people, it would be a good news.
Oo.
But for me, it's a fear that I have to face.
Nag-go ka ba doon sa invitation?
Alam mo bakit, Yado, na it's a fear?
Because of
Yes.
nangyari.
They have to, kailangan nilang makita yung may-ari. And, matagal akong nawala
Oo.
sa...
And it would be a shocking to
Yes.
everyone to
Ang-
see you on TV.
Na, uy,
Diba
sa kanya pala yun?
Mm.
Siya pala may-ari nun.
Mm.
Alam mo, ang takot ko nun, baka mawalan ako ng customer. I might gain some, I might lose some. Tapos, was so ugly at that time.
Wala pang mga glow up or...
Hindi kasi, I tried to, siguro, siguro sa ayoko makilala ako pag pumupunta ako ng mall. Ay,
So hindi ka nag-ayos, walang...
hindi. Literally, I cut my hair short.
Okay.
Like, boyish cut. Nakala mo may tomboy.
Mm.
Oo, totoo. Kala mo police woman na pupunta ng ano. And I'm always wearing face mask. And that time, kasi interview siya, hindi ka pwede mang face mask.
Oo.
So, it's a fear that I have to face. And fortunately, sabi ko sa kanya, bukas ba? Di ba pwede yung sunod na araw? O pwede ba sunod na lang ako ng episode?
Mm.
Kasi I have to prepare. Yun ang excuse ko.
Mm.
Pero hindi naman yung product ang i-prepare ko. I have to prepare
Yourself.
myself.
Oo.
Yes, that papaano ba? How am I gonna introduce myself? magkakaroon na ng muka yung
Yung,
sweet cravings. Yun. I don't know how people will take it. Sabi ko sa mga tao ko, kasi they were my family. Sabi ko sa kanila na, ano man,
go na.
this is what gonna happen. So I'm very vocal to them. If I will do it, I will be like this and like that. I explain to them what happened to me. They know. Kaya nga minsan pag may nag-order ng cake doon at pulis, sabi siya, ate huwag ka lumabas, baka kukunin ka nila. Sabi ko, hindi naman na, kasi tapos naman na, nagpo-probation ako.
So,
Candidate.
anong nangyari sa interview? Anong reaction ng public for that?
We even gain someone who wants to invest on the shop, and then some, of course,
Na-discourage na to buy ulit or pero in
Hindi.
general ba okay naman yung reception?
it's a balance. Some inaccept nila, some yung page namin they will send a screenshot of my mugshot na post nila doon. Huwag kayo bumili dyan, ito yung may-ari. So it's hard. Imagine hindi mo alam kung anong oras kaya paano ko mabura to. Anong oras kaya may mag-comment? Anong oras kaya may mag-post? Baka merong may mag-comment na hindi ko ma-delete. I have to take care of my business. Because it's not just me. It's the team. It's my team's business. It's not me lang.
Pero from that interview ba, you started to gain your confidence back? Started to believe yourself or
A little bit, yes. I can say. Yung nga sabi nila na you really have to face it. Have to face it. Yun, pagkatapos nun, nag-viral yung aming mga custom cake. We were able to afford a 3D decorator.
wow.
3D cake decorator. Kay malakas yung demand ng business. And nag-viral yung aming mga different design. Ang usually nagba-viral noon na cake design is itong mermaid cake.
O yun, yung mga ganon.
Mermaid cake, yung tawag nito, yung mga cake na may mga heart, yung parang sa mga hospital, yung may mga heartbeat ganon. Yung mga nagba-viral at saka yung mga police cake. Kasi nga, para sa ating mga
Men in uniform.
yes,
diba?
men in uniform na nagsiserve sa atin on those tough times. Tapos, yun. At saka itong biking.
Kasi oo.
Di ba
mga
nausong bike
running,
nun?
biking.
Yes, yun
oh.
na lahat. Halos lahat, sobrang mahal ng bike nun. Yun yung panahon na dati, before pandemic, makabili ka ng 3.5 na bike. At that time, kung wala kang 30,000, wala kang bike.
Yeah.
Sobrang mahal ng bike.
Kasi ang daming naging outdoor because of the pandemic.
Yes, at wala kang masakyan. So, bike ang mga
Mga drama
so,
noon.
Itong si Ma'am Host, she ordered. Siya na, di ba gawa niyo to? Tapos na cake that I commented, di ba gawa niyo to? So, yes, I want the same style, but I want it to be minimalist.
Lower.
I want it minimalist because I don't want any greetings. I think it was just it's not a birthday cake. It was just like a normal occasion cake. I wanted to, it was maybe a dinner or whatnot. Sabi niya, just want a dirt, like the bike, the man, and the dirt on the bike.
Or her partner ba yun?
Yeah, for the
Diba?
partner. Na sinanda niya kami ng picture
Anong
itsura
mukha,
nung-
oo.
oo. Hindi namin nakuha 100% yung bike. Kasi may details doon. Mahirap magsulat sa cake na sobrang liit nung yado.
Space,
Nung bike. Kasi it was edible bike. Imagine, parang toothpick lang kalaki yung parang body nung bike. Paano mo susulatan yun ngayon? So, yun hindi namin nakuha. Though, naghagil siya sa price, binigay naman namin. Pero nung nag-pick up na siya, biglang,
Cancel?
hindi,
Cancel ba?
yung price, from 1,800 naging 1,000, yung 1,000 naging 500. Ang hindi ko matanggap nun, could have give you the cake for free. It's not a problem. Yung aking,
Ex-deal na lang sana, no?
parang, bro, you threaten us.
Really?
Yeah. If you're watching, threaten us. na hindi nyo ba ako kilala? Pag ako ang nagbigay ng bad review nito, anong business mo? She find it funny. I find it really insulting. Kasi, lumalaban kami ng patas. Lumalaban ako ng patas. After how many years, lumalaban ako ng patas. Tapos you go to my shop.
Saying that.
Sabihan mo yung mga tao ko na nangangarap. Na lahat yan, nangangarap lang kami. Sabihan mo kami na will never make it. Masarado kami. Imagine mo, sleepless nights yan. Sabi ng manager, huwag mo na patulan. Gusto kong patulan. Gusto ko kasapakin eh. Baka gusto mo makita kung sino ako. Parang, you want my past life? I will lay it to you. Pero I can't do it kasi it's not just me.
Maraming maapekto.
Yes. May mga tao ako. Sabi nung tao ko, ma'am, please huwag mo na patulan. Just let it go. Just let it go. Hindi ako makatulog kasi paano kung bukas
mag-review siya.
Yes. Baka sunod na araw, baka bumubelo lang. Hindi ako nakatulog. And it's para bang kailangan mo na lang tumahimik. Kasi you're voiceless. You're powerless. And you go there, intimidate us. Because what? You're famous. Gusto mo pasikatin kita ngayon. Gusto mo pasikatin kita ngayon eh. Total pasikat ka. Parang gano'n na lang sa akin. Kaya sabi ko na, what am I gonna do? It's gonna be a continuous process. Lord naman. Sabi ko, awa ka naman. Huwag sa akin.
So, paano ka naka-get out of that?
No, hindi ako naka-get out until this past few days. When I wrote that. Yes, when I wrote
the
that
controversial comment.
Yes. That was the only time that I feel release.
Okay.
Finally. Kasi hindi lang yung negosyo ko ang gibaharan mo. Ang gibaharan mo is the business, is the product that put food on my kids' table. Not just my kids' table, my
employees,
mga tao ko. Put food on their table. Well, and we can't do anything. Unfortunately.
So for how many years, dala-dala mo yun?
Oo. And every time, it's not her first time running. Nung una pa niyang takbo, nagrespeto lang ako. Nagrespeto lang ako. Kasi may kandidata din akong ginasuportahan who supported me.
Okay.
I wanna say thank you, Yado, if you don't mind. Kasi nung time na hindi kami nabayaran para sa cake na yun, ito namang si Miss Jersey, naputulan kami ng kuryente.
Jersey.
Hot Jersey.
Okay, si Ate Jersey pala.
Oo. She handed me a check for 10,000. Sabi niya na...
So out of yan?
Hinantay ko pa, pinunta ko pa sa office niya doon sa tarpolinan. Sabi niya, sige, para makabayad ka ng kuryente mo. Kaya I paid it. Kaya hiniram ko man yun. So she was the one who really helped me. Kaya nga, nagrespeto lang ako that time na tumakbo siya.
Yeah, because nagtumakbo siya last 2022 election.
Kasi sabi ko na, ayoko na baka sabihin na, kasi you're supporting this candidate, kaya sinisira mo tong isang kandidata. So, finally, sabi nga when you asked me earlier, how do you feel? I feel great. Sabi naman ng iba na, bully. Ganun na some other people.
Pero that comment pero that comment parang spark other people also to speak out.
Yeah. Kasi Sabi nga niya, Batang Ginsan siya eh. Kilala siya. Kung kilala ako doon, mas kilala siya. She's known for her attitude. I don't know what you call that. Yung parang kala mo germs ka.
Well, it so happened kasi, di ba, I mean, it's election season, so the bashing and all is part of the campaign, part of, yeah ba? Pero of course, iba naman tong case mo, na timing lang jud kumbaga.
Hindi, sabi ko nga, I was really ready. I know, sabi nga ng mga barkada ko, I know you're ready. Sabi pa niya na, alam ko kasi na, if I'm gonna write something bad, and it will go viral, which is my aim.
Pero imagine,
babalikan talaga ako.
I mean, kumbaga palaaway mo kayo ka. I mean, this incident, this comment talaga parang ignited everything ba kumbaga, no?
But it ignited everything, but you know, it gave peace in my heart. It really gave peace kasi sabi ko nga sa'yo, yung palabas na sing, it's us. Like, everybody will bring us down. But still, we proved to everyone that we fucking made it. We put our name in the map. And that's really true. Everybody misses Sweet Cravings. They miss it. We made name. And finally, could
nagmark, kumbaga.
Yes. If sabi nga na, nagmark yung, you're the fake dentist. Pero I also made a mark as one of the...
Bumawi naman sa cake.
Best cake that the generals have ever tasted.
Wala nang chance na...
I don't know.
Kasi hindi pa ako nakatikim ng cake mo.
I really wish I could recreate it. But hindi na ako negosyante. Hindi na doon yung field ko. Kasi na notice ko, magaling pala akong
mag-market?
Market. Yeah. Magaling akong
The
mag-market.
marketing guru.
Sabi ng asawa ko sa akin, Mami, tama na. Ako naman ang mag-negosyo. We closed our shop February 15
Year.
2022. We closed it after lang ng Valentine's. Tinapos lang namin yung Valentine's.
Kasi maraming orders.
Tapos we closed it the next day. Like, totally closed. Tapos we surrendered the property na yung pwesto namin ng February 20. Birthday ng anak ko, I can still remember. So, yun. After nun, I was in my home. Dito na pumasok yung aking...
BA?
Yes.
Paano ka naman na dito sa BA? Is that accidental or...
It's actually accidental. Sabi nga ng asawa ko, maybe it's time for you to rest. Pahinga ka. Gusto ko naman nang magkaroon ng housewife.
Char.
Oo! Sabi ng asawa ko, gusto ko magkaroon ng housewife. Sabi ko din, I'll try. Hindi pa ako pang nanay, yado. It's not in my characteristic. Parang, I can be a mother dragon, but, I cannot be a mother.
Yung typical housewife.
I don't think so. I can do the laba and all. I was not taught to do that. I was taught to always lead by my family, but not really to serve. But sabi nga ng asawa ko, baka pwede naman. I want to wear the pants this time and sa bahay ka. Sa bahay ako 2 araw. Boy, prinsesa ako dun. Bye.
Pero na-board ka, no?
Na-board. Ang lola mo na-board siya. Sigurado na ba siya dito? Parang hindi niya kaya. Baka hindi niya makaya buhayin kami. Meron ako nitong, I've always tell my student this. I started with isang palsak, kirig lahat, computer.
Mention mo yan.
Yeah, I mentioned that one. Merong computer itong anak ko na para lang sa research.
Hindi siya pang so best in log.
Yes, best in log. Core i3. Literal. Tapos skeleton.
Oh my God.
Skeleton yung wala ng gilid. Diba yung CPU?
Yung parang ilalagay na sa junk shop?
Oo, parang gano'n na. So, tapos meron ka pang monitor na basag yung gilid. So, hindi mo talaga makikita.
Ma-clear.
Hindi makita. So, sabi ko sa barkada ko, parang gusto maging VA. Gusto mo trabaho online, work from home. Sabi nung, ay, pinakaayaw ko pa naman sabihin sa akin. Ay, hindi mo yan kaya. Ay,
So you took,
hello, nagising ako isang araw, gusto kong maging dentista, yan pa kayo maging BA.
so you took the challenge.
The challenge. Sabi ko, teka lang. Mahirap pala.
Well, sabi mo nga, fake it till you make it, di ba?
Oo. Di ba? Sabi ko,
I remember that
yes.
line.
Kasi, at that time, sabi ko, isang buwan na.
Wala kang client.
Wala. Ano ba ito? Sabi ko, yabang ko ba naman?
So in a break of surrendering na ba ito?
Hindi, actually, ako kasi, I don't back down on a fight. Bahala pa magkaubusan tayo.
Sumala na patolera.
Oo. I will not back down on any fight. I would really would do it. So sabi ko, sige. Pinag-aralan ko yung system. I had so many interviews. Interview dito.
Trial and error.
Oo, trial. Ano kaya, voice. Sabi ko, call center ko nun eh. Voice. Hindi pala para sa akin. Kasi hindi ko na kaya madaling araw.
Oo.
Ay, parang hindi ko na kaya yung graveyard. Tapos, English na, ubos na. Yung English ko, hanggang memorize lang, may script lang.
Pag ma-adlib na, hindi na kaya.
Parang 5 years old na, what's your name? Ayan. What is your, how old are you? Pag tinanong nga, who's your mother and father? Hindi ko na alam. Parang gano'n na ang, paano to? Sabi ng barkada ko sa akin, alam mo sa ka magaling? Magaling ka market.
Oh.
Alam mo yung ginawa mo mga promotion sa Sweet Cravings, yung mga postings na ginawa mo.
Pang viral.
Oo, sabi niya, why not take that one, create a case study? Itong yung barkada ko, nakagraduate kasi. Ang case study, ano to? Yung case, para ba ng case ko? Yun ba? Na klase yung case?
So, wala kang idea about the case study?
Ano tong case study? Kaso ba to? Kailangan ko preparan. So, sabi nga, yung parang presentation, kung ano ang nangyari after mo to ginawa, ano ang naging result, and what was your parang strategy after that one. So, sabi ko, sige, nag-aral ako.
Inaral talaga? Seryoso?
Yes. Like, literal na to the point na namayat ako. Sana nga gusto mag-aral.
Sleepless night.
Hindi, totoo. Hindi na ako nakakatulog and it's already, parang, ay, hindi talaga pwede na hindi ako makapasok. Kaya yun sabi nila, ay, huwag ka mag-fake it till you make it. Pero I'm already frustrated. You know, at that time, I was already frustrated. Wala akong income. Sabi ko na.
So, parang you felt stuck in that?
Oo, pero hindi naman sabi mo na to the point na, kasi alam ko naman binubuhay naman kami ng asawa ko. Just that I wanted to help. Yun, awa ng Diyos, nakagawa ako ng mga video ko, kasi kailangan ko ng introduction
presentation,
video. Oo. Tawa ako nun, kasi sabi nung first interview ko, kailangan pala ng credentials.
Oo.
Sabi niya, I need your credentials. Di, ang lola mo, hindi alam mo ng credentials. Nagawa ng nag-scan ako, sabi ko sa pinsan ko, pero naman ako mga TOR mo dyan. Para sabihin ko, para makapasok lang ako sa trabaho.
So yung pangalan?
Binura ko, editorial.
Okay, oh wow. Well, of course. The editing
scam,
skill.
Editing skill. Sabi ko, parang graduate ako ng college. Dinilagay ko din yung pangalan ko. Tapos nung pinasa ko, alam mo sabi nung client, what's this? My credentials? Sa Pinoy, pag sinabi mong credentials,
Yeah, the diploma, TOR.
NBI, o ganun. What I mean are your email addresses. How am I gonna add you to our page, our business page? What's your username? Sinabi mo na lang sanang username. Hindi ba ako natulog ng 2 araw sa Saturday, Sunday? Para pagka Monday, may mapasa ako sa iyong TOR. Diyos ko, Lord, yun na pala hiningi mo. Kaya, inaral ko. Inaral ko. Kahit naman na sabihin mong hindi ako nakapagtapos yado, I was top on art class as well. Hindi naman sabihin mong honor student, but I'm always in the first section. Medyo may kabubugan naman ako konti. Tapos, I'm also a writer on our school paper in high school. So,
may kabuga.
kabuga, kahit na konti lang. Hindi na nabigyan ng pagkakataon. Pero may kabuga. So yun, first client ko was CBD. Ito pa, have you used CBD? Na, ikaw si Boba. Yes! Kasi sabi nga nila, always say yes. Yan yung yes mo para makapasok ka. Yes! You know what CBD is? Yes! So also you use cannabinoid. Yeah! Is it legal there in the Philippines? Yeah, I think so! Marijuana pala yun.
So hindi mo talaga ginugel, ano?
Kasi sa interview ka na mag-google ka pa. Bago mag-google interview. Sabi ko, bigla ko hindi ako na-try ito. Pero at least, nabenta ko naman. Napag-aralan ko siya, nabenta ko, and doon na pumasok yung tagline ko sa aking
BA.
My tagline is, victory is just a V away.
Duh!
Yeah! Because it was my boss who told me. Kasi yung negosyo niya, dumami yung customers.
Because of your...
Yes, because of my promotional skills, yung editing skills ko, marketing skills, and all. Kahit na hindi na ako imagine mo, Yado, ang bayad lang sa akin is 8 hours a day. $4 an hour. 8 hours lang yung bayad. Pero pag nag-duty ako,
Sobra-sobra.
20 hours.
Extend the...
Kasi sobrang kapal nga. Sobrang fake it till you make it. Sabi, magaling mag-edit. I can edit that one in 30 minutes. 30 minutes, ha? Yung edit ko, umabot ng 16 hours. Isang flyer lang yun, tapos kailangan mo pa gumawa ng 2 pa. Sabi ko, oh Lord, tulungan mo. Yung nagawa ko naman. Awa ng Diyos.
Survive.
Yes. Siya yung sabi sa akin, you really bring victory to my
business.
So, that's where I get the tagline, victory is just a V away. And binigyan niya ako ng computer, gave me money for a computer.
So, supportive naman si
He's really supportive.
employer mo for
Very,
that.
my first boss. Kaya yun, sabi ko sa sarili ko na I think I was first time in my life na hindi ko kinahiya na kasi hindi naman ako high school graduate lang ako. Kasi hindi ko man pala kailangan diploma dito sa trabaho to.
To be successful.
Yes. Hindi ko pala kailangan ng sana kung meron kaming pera at nakapag-aral ako at meron akong panahon, I would be really grateful na meron akong diploma. Pero ito yung field na hindi pala ko kailangan ng magandang education background.
Over na credentials.
Yes, to prove myself. They just need you to deliver what you promise.
And you deliver.
Yes.
Sobra-sobra pa ang...
Sabi ko nga madalas, sabi ko sa client ko, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, I sing sa aking mga interviews. Did you know that
I'm a singer?
Yes, the Filipino are born singers. Sabi ko, sa interviews na sabi ko talaga, I'm gonna be your Rihanna and Beyonce in one time. What? Yeah, I'm gonna make sure that, ano nga yung kata niya?
Umbrella?
Yes, like, diamond. I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna shine like a diamond. And I'm gonna be your Beyonce because I'm gonna make sure that I am a virtual assistant that irreplaceable. Ganyan, mga skema na lola mo.
So, na-amaze ang...
Pagbigyan, kahit nagdugo-dugo na yung mga ilong at that time. So, yun, from there, I really pursue this career. And I'm really proud. I want to be really proud and loud that I am a head of marketing department of an international company.
Wow!
Multi-billion company.
Wow!
Yes. And one thing that yung ang aking purpose, what do you call passion? Ang gusto kong mangyari is, I want to help other parents as well. Other single moms, yung mga nanay na nahirapan, yung mga estudyante, working student na nahirapan. So,
paano mo ba sila tinutulungan?
what are the ways to... Kasi, alam mo, itong si Joji Ilagan, kahit naman na nung bata ako, hindi ako nakapag-graduate, I took small workshop and courses.
Photography workshop.
So, hindi photography. Si
Joji Ilaga, the owner of the school.
Oo. Si Joji Ilaga, may pa-summer workshop din siya before. Hindi pa uso ang call center. How to create and master interviews and tawag nito, create your resume. When I apply, kahit noon pa, I don't apply with the biodata. I always apply with the resume. Pag sinabi ko diyang, sabi nga, store, kahit nagbantay lang ng tindahan. Ilagay, pero OA. Store facilitator.
Bot.
ang mga bullet point doon. Kaya di ba, siyempre mag-audit mo yung kasi mo tindahan. Purchasing manager. Kaya nag-purchase ha, bangkiruhan. Purchasing manager.
It's just kayo title.
Sorry. Audit their own products. Mga ganun. Hindi ko talaga yan. Sino ba maglista niyan?
All in, all around.
Ano ba ito? Managing manager. Kaya siyempre, sino ba nagmamanage sa tindahan? Store manager. Diyos ko, Lord. Nilagay ko talaga yan. Totoo naman. Ano ba English? Sige daw. Anong English na manage ng tindahan?
Store manager.
Oh, hello. Tindahan lang. Ano ba English ng tindahan? Store. Oh, hello. So, yun ang nilalagay ko sa credentials ko. And I always tell them, like, you know, you have to, maraming hirap. You have to choose kung anong gusto mong hirap. Kasi dami akong sobrang hirap. Yado. Kung ibang tao pa nga, kung napagdaanan niyo, napagdaanan ko, baka wala na kayo dito. Sobrang hirap. Ako, piliin mo yung hirap mo. You're a sales lady. Bakit hindi ba mahirap mag-apply ng trabaho sales lady? Mahirap. Lalo na cashier. Kasi, magkanda ng pera eh. Sales lady, tatayo ka dyan. Papasa ka ng, magpapacheck up ka. Kasi kailangan mo ng medical.
Regular,
Kailangan mo ng mga NBI, barangay police clearance and all. SSS, lahat, kompleto yan. Pati PhilHealth. Dami pang deduction. Magkano sahurin mo? Sa isang araw? 500 pesos. Kung 500 pesos ang minimum wage. I think minimum wage sa Jensen ngayon, 490. I'm not sure.
Around that,
Dito sa Davao kasi parang 490, something like that, or 512. I'm not really sure kasi hindi ko na familiar sa
minimum wage.
Pero sa dito, mahirapan ka. Totoo naman talaga mahirapan ka. Kasi wala namang trabaho na
madali.
Pero pagtapos ng hirap, ang laki ng ginawa. I know a teacher nagsabi sa akin na, alam mo ba, miss, na yung sahod ko as a level 1. May level na pa ng teacher ngayon.
Yes. May level na.
May level pa na.
Teacher 1, 2, 3.
Sabi niya, as a teacher 1, ang sahod ng teacher 1 is around 27,000. And I earn it for working for 15 days. 10 days yung trabaho. Kasi fix yung Saturday, Sunday na rest. So, sabi niya, imagine mo na na-income ko lang yung aking 1 month na salary sa 10 days of working. Pero nahirapan siya. Alam mo, umiiyak. Meron pa akong VA, si Mariela. May-ari ng Yos, dyan sa Jensen, may business siya. Sisling. Halos dito na nagtira sa bahay ko. Naman sa kanya, mabagal siya eh. Pero, you have to believe in yourself.
Naka-survive naman siya.
Survive, client nga siya eh. Ganun lang. You choose your battle. And you have to make sure, when you choose a battle, make sure you are prepared. You are prepared, not just yung, sabi nga nila, buti yung meron kang backup plan.
Just in case.
So sabi nila, sige lang, if plan A will not work,
may plan B.
May plan B. Ako kasi hanggang Z. So pag tinanong mo ako sa interview, ganito yung tatanong mo sa akin, yung sagot ko siya hanggang Z. Wala ka na bang tanong? Kasi kompleto ako. Pag tinanong mo ka, how are you going to help me? Sabi ko talaga, I will criticize you. Ito problema mo sa company mo, ito problema mo sa company mo. This is how I'm gonna help you. Ano na, be a solution to a problem. Yun naman parati. Be a solution to a problem. So if you think that you can do it, then you can earn a spot here. Pero hindi to para sa mga duwag, ha. Kasi madugo.
Fighter, Jud.
Yes. Madugo to na labanan. Mas masakit pa yung rejection sa email. Kasi wala kang kaaway. So, sino kasaksakin ko? Ang sakit yan yun. Sabi mo, I regret to inform. I'm sorry to inform you that we've selected a different candidate. It doesn't mean that you are not qualified.
Ang dami pang etchos. Etchos
pa. But it's just that we've chosen a different candidate that has way better experience in this and that and that.
Pwede naman kasing wala ka na daw. Dagan pa kay get shows, di ba?
Oo. Tsaka, meron pa nga akong student daw ako, sabi ko sa kanila, don't expect na on your first interview, matanggap ka.
Expect rejection.
Yes. Ang una mong tanggapin is that, face your fear. Kasi, kulbaan mo ka, anak. Kulbaan ka. Una mong button is that, attend it and feel it, yung kakulba mo. Para alam mo na, ay, yun mo pala tanong nila, tell me something about yourself. How are you going to help my company?
The usual questions.
Ganun yung my usual questions na naturo ko naman na. Pero yung kaba doon, yun ang hindi pa mabayaran eh. Meron ko student, sabi pa niya, dito siya ba sa internet niya? Tell me something about yourself. Hello? Hello? Wala na, binunot na pala yung internet. Oh, lost connection. Sabi ko, wais mo. Kala ko matalino ko. Matalino ka sa akin.
Pero nakuha naman siya.
Oh, after that one, si Ma'am Marilet, nakuha naman siya. She's working.
So, na-overcome niya yung niya?
Na-overcome. Hindi man lahat dapat magaling you have to be, hindi ko sinasabing hindi ka dapat mag-English ha. Kasi,
kailangan requirement.
Yes, it is really a requirement. It's just that you have to, hindi kailangan magaling. Hindi ako magaling. Minsan ka, feeling ko,
nag-wrong grammar na.
hindi lang sa wrong grammar. Wrong word talaga. Pero it sounds like kasi, ganun. Sabi ko, ano yung included o secluded? Ano nga, saan doon? I'm secluded. Hala, I'm secluded to the group. Ay, included pala yun. Diba? Pag nag-i-English ako sa mga client ko, Diyos ko, barok-barok dahil. Kebs.
Pero naintindihan ka naman nila, di ba?
Importante doon, you are conversational. At saka importante doon, na kapag ka nagpo-post ka, yun ang hindi dapat wrong grammar. That's why we have AIs to help us.
To help.
Yes. Swerte nga sila ngayon, may mga AI. At that time nung ako, walang AI.
Lisod tama ba ni?
Hindi mo alam anong i-reply mo sa email ngayon kasi pwede na i-screenshot lang. Create a response for Veronica. Oh, may ganun pa. May ganun pa sa AI. Create a script for Veronica kay awayin natin itong kandidatang putang ina.
Diba?
Kaya pa magbisaya ni ChatGPT.
Naka-premium.
Yes, na-premium. With over plus. So, you have to train your AI. So, I always tell my student na, don't just train yourself, but also train your equipment to move like you, think like you.
Basta magaling lang sa prompt engineering.
Not really necessarily. But you have to be a strategist. I always say that. Kailangan ka, ano ang Tagalog ng strategist? There's a Bisaya term for strategist, yung when you know how to do things.
Diskarte?
Oh, yes, madiskarte ka. Kailangan madiskarte ka. Kasi kagaya niyan, hindi ka magaling hindi mo alam kung paano siya gayahin. Or hindi mo alam, paano ko ba ito i-market ang cake?
Dili makaano sa marketing, di ba?
Hindi mo na ako magaling mag-market. At saka, paano kung hindi mo, kagaya niyan, how are you going to market CBD? Hindi ka naman nakapag-marijuana. Malay ko ba dyan? Hindi ko nga alam ano yan. Nag-oo nga lang ako. So, what are you going to do? Kung anong ginagawa nila, gawain mo din. Learn who your competitors are. And once you learn who your competitor are, kung ano ginagawa nila, gawain mo and do it better.
You have your own twist.
Yes, sabihin mo, screenshot it, put it in ChatGPT. Can you create, we are from CBT, sabihin, we are from this company. Can you recreate a strategy for this, using this company but with this branding. 1 month content. Sleeping Beauty. May sabi ko agad, it's not about the money, money, money. Ganun ka lang.
So work smart.
Yes. Always work smart. But still, work harder. Dati kasi, work smart.
Walang harder.
Walang harder. Don't work, work smart, don't work hard. But now, work smart and work harder. Strike while the iron is hot.
Kana.
Kasi if you keep on striking the iron while it's hot, iinit at iinit pa rin yan. Yes, it will. Until sa mag-apoy na yan.
Anyway, ano ba yung the top 3 lessons na gusto mong i-share sa audience? Like, sa journey mo ito.
First lesson is that you will not be you if without the struggles that you faced in your life. Doesn't mean that nahirapan ka. You'll give up. Sabi nga ni Dory, manood kayo ng mga palabas ng bata.
Oo, Dory.
Oo, sabi ni Dory, just keep swimming. You'll be there. Tindig ang balayibo ko. Keep swimming. My second lesson is that doesn't mean that you're not comfortable in doing things. Doesn't mean that you can't learn it and you cannot master it. It's a matter of putting your 100%. Even it means like waking up and you feel 60%, but you put your 60% all in, that's still 100%. Kasi binigay mo lahat eh. Just ibigay mo lang lahat all the time. And then finally, enjoy what you harvest. Kasi tiranin mo yan. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Kasi ikaw ang gumawa niyan. Enjoy the little things. Celebrate your small wins. That's what I learned. Celebrate small things. Kahit sobrang liit pa niyan. Celebrate it. And always, my number one learnings in life is that you will never let go of it. And just keep your faith. No matter how bad you think you are, andyan siya. He's there. Just pray. Always talk to Him. Kung wala kang kausap, talk to Him. He will listen. And I'd like to thank that my kumare, Claire, because she brought me to the church. And I am really thankful. Yeah, just hold on. Yeah, He's there. We might have different gods, but our faith is the same.
Diba? May mga miracles na nangyayari na in the least expected moment.
Yeah. Diba?
Curious lang, how would you handle bashing? I mean, grabe ka sa online. I mean, dabardagulan and all, and you know, marami ding nang babash sa'yo. I mean,
sabi, it's part of life. Actually, you grew up. Ngayon lang online. You grew up with bashing. Bakit? Yung mga chain, hindi ba kayo binabash ng bata pa kayo? It's part of life.
So parang immune ka na ngayon?
Not really immune. Cannot say it immune. It's just that
paano ka mag-respond to it? Or paano ang reaction mo ganun?
It's acceptance. Acceptance is the key. Kailangan mo lang i-accept para you be able to say the right word. Just say your truth. Even if they don't believe you, just say the truth. Even if it means you're accepting, I mean, you know, giving them the satisfaction, just say your truth. Bahala na sila to judge you. Kagaya nung sabi mo, I'm very vocal about me being detained. Kasi, ngayon, wala ka na mabash sa akin. Ano ba i-bash mo sa akin? Ako na nagsabi sa'yo.
Inunahan mo na.
Ano kita? Ano pa gusto mo? Baka gusto mo listahan ng utangan ko sa Diyos. May ko na lang din sa'yo. Ganun lang. Always say your truth. How you going to answer it? Marketing strategy pa rin yun. Diba sabi mo nga, bad publicity is still a publicity.
Diba? Pero of course, sa mga may na-inspire ka naman somehow with your story. I mean,
I think baka sabihin mayabang ako.
'Di ba? From this to
ako,
parang nag-pivot talaga yung life
ako
mo.
Na lang ang sa sarili ko. Ako mismo na-inspire ako sa sarili kong story. Because how I was able to turn my tables even if people are holding it against me. Sabi yung kanta ni wag na nga lang, sabihin pa singer tayo.
You're a singer, right?
Oo, pero sabi nga nila, I myself, I am very inspired with the story on how I handled my life and how I was able to turn my tables up on a different direction. Sabi nga nila, mayroon pa rin palang ilaw sa dulo.
Di ba?
Yes. I walked alone on an empty and dark tunnel, and I found the light after whatever fear. I have to face fear. I have to step forward even if I'm already shaking, just to see the light and see the success. And I think I am already successful in any way. Successful in mentally, emotionally. I am free.
Wala na yung baggage.
Wala. And I'm really thankful that this happened, this crusade happened. Because I thought this past few years, I don't have anyone. I've already accepted that one. Na I only have my husband and I have my children, I have my mom and my sister. But aside from that one, no one's gonna defend me in any way. But then I found yung mga who responded on those comments against me, yung mga tao ko.
Na hindi mo naman inutusan.
Yes.
Walang
yung si Tito Emmy, na nakakaaway ko pa yan noon sa tindahan na. Alam mo, sabi na, you don't know her. Ako nakaaway kayo, pero I know her. So, people are defending me, which is, doon ako naiyak eh. I was not crying the whole time. I was even laughing. Diba? I find it as a joke. Pero, was the first time in my life that I feel so loved by a lot of people because they defended me without my knowledge. Kasi nung nangyari din yung crusade na yun, pag-comment ko nun, I went to the Bukid na province.
Walang signal.
Pagbalik ko, uy!
Viral na ka.
Sikat na naman. Yan, sikat kasi. I'm just so happy that I have true friends. I may not able to connect with them all the time, but I have.
Diba, hindi mo in-expect na, ay?
And my heart is so full. Honestly speaking, my heart is so full. Finally, nawala na yung tinik. I was able to say my piece. Nasa kanya na lang yun if she wanna continue with her lies. But I've already said and released what is the truth. And I've learned a lot of lesson, especially knowing that a lot of people really love me. Just so I'm really happy, Yadu, honestly speaking. I'm happy.
Willing ka ba mag face-to-face with her, given a chance?
I'm not afraid of her. Sabi nga ni, ano nga palabas yun? Oh, palabas na naman.
Ano palabas?
Itong si Karate Kid ni Jackie Chan.
Jackie Chan.
You know, that kid, sabi niya, no, I am not done yet because I still feel fear. I don't wanna feel fear and I don't fear her anymore because wala naman na siya sisirain. Wala siya sisirain. Sira na yung negosyo eh. It's already closed. So, ano pa sisirain? You're gonna contact my boss? Go ahead. They know. I've told them. And I've been into different international podcasts saying my piece on how I handle things. And they learn a lot from me. And this time, I wanted my own people to learn that. Yun nga, sabi ko sa'yo. Kahit sabi pa ulit-ulit. Look
and
at
you're an open book naman, so...
Yeah! I'll help you judge me. Kasi kung ako mismo sabi niya, alam mo tawag ng nanay ko, di ba napagupit ako, sabi kong kwento ko sa'yo, paggupit. Sabi nung barkada ng nanay ko, pulis mo man pala yung anak mo. Sabi nung classmate ng nanay ko. Sabi na, kasi nakapantalon ako, naka-black t-shirt, tapos short hair.
Tapos astig pa.
Oo, tapos malaking tao. Malaking babae ako eh. Yung babae, pulis mo man pala yung anak mo. Sabi niya, oo, general yan. Sabi ko, ha? Oh, general problem ko yan eh. Kabi ka naman. Oh, andyan na si General. Ano ka problema na magdala nito? Oh. But now, she still calls me
General.
Yeah.
Pero in a good way.
Yeah. He always tells me like, anak, I'm happy of what you've become. And I'm really proud of you. Please, stop that.
Pero, di ba, she's still worried about the online thing.
She's my mom. Hindi mo maalis ang nanay yun. Kasi nanay ko siya eh. Hindi mo talaga maalis yun Yado sa isang ina.
Kasi ikaw, dagunan mong
Sabi na nanay ko, tapos na. You're done. Actually, if you noticed on the videos that I released answering these bashers.
Yung recent, diba?
Yeah, my husband is always there at my back. Daan-daan lang siya. Kasi he is supporting me. Sige. Is that the only way na you can breathe? You can finally enjoy? Sige. Release. Go release. Kaya ko nasabi yun. And I am willing to face her in any way. Even if I have to spend to see her. I want her to see. Look at you now. Look at me now. Wala kang masisira sa akin. Kasi I've already built my boundaries up so high that I don't need anyone's acceptance or I don't need anyone's validation para masabi na I accepted myself. Kasi ako,
you already accepted yourself.
I already accepted myself.
Your flaws and all.
Yes. And I'm happy. Sana siya din, magdating ang panahon, still pray to God. Yeah, kasi madami din naman siyang, totoo naman talaga, marami siyang masagasaan because of her attitude. Sana magbago din siya. Sana.
Well, it's her call.
It's her call, yeah.
Wala na tayong control over that. Diba? At least you are at peace now with your past baggage and all.
Yeah.
So what's next?
So, I'm still gonna continue what I am doing right now.
Kasi parang inaabangan ka na ng public. Parang ano ka na?
Bakit mo, maging content creator ako. But yeah, maybe, I just want to keep on inspiring people na if you need help with the VA industry and I can answer, I have time, I will answer you. I will be that person.
In all fairness naman I mean, you're not afraid of sharing what you've learned in the VA industry. I mean, you're really kanang,
hindi ko lang siya,
diba?
Hindi naman ako
unlike sa iba naman na like, hindi ni-share. I mean, ikaw all
I'll
out.
Give you everything.
Yes.
Hindi, kasi it's not something that you learn from a book. It's not something that you learn in school. Though, Malayan is already offering VA.
May mga offering, yes. Oo.
Pero, this is a experience. Experience kasi yung ibibigay ko. And my technique, my own technique on how I handle things. On how I advertise. And
uniquely from you.
Yes.
Ganon.
So, yun ang aking i-share. And sabi nga nila, bakit hindi ka natatakot i-share?
Oo.
Dadami na kayo. Diba? Dadami ng VA. I am not afraid because I've already built my own empire. Kilala na ako. Hindi man ako kilala dito sa Pilipinas na VA. Kilala na ako sa US. When it comes to marketing and they said YouTube, pag viral, YouTube growth, they know it's going to be me. And I've helped a lot of podcasters in the US gain a lot of views, earn money through YouTube.
And became popular.
Yes, not just popular, but also to, to share their piece as well. I make sure to help them with different angles on how not just build their career in social media or podcast, but also build their brand. That's always my passion. To know you, kaya nga sabi ko, what to look forward to. Anong next? I'll just continue on growing and enjoy
helping others. Diba?
Enjoy helping others. That's part of it. But I want to enjoy the time with my kids. This is finally a business. This is a business. This is not an employment. Freelancing is a business. This is finally a business that I can be who I am I can be with my kids anytime. And I am financially, I have the financially capabilities. Kasi malaki ang sahuran dito.
Yes.
Sabi nga, nandito na ang greener pasture. If people will...
Kaya ang daming nag-VA ngayon.
Ang dami nag-VA. Kasi, hindi naman sabi mo, kasi magaling ka lang mag-social media, magaling ka mag-marketing. Meron naman, kailangan din namin sa VA industry ng bookkeeper, accountant. Kung ano ginagawa nyo ngayon, ultimo cashier, kailangan namin ng cashier. Kasi, hindi ko alam.
It's an industry, so, maraming involved.
It's just that it is now, you can do it from the comfort of your home. Kasi before, hindi na. Imagine mo, kasi mag-order ka sa McDonald's ngayon sa US, Pinay ang kausap mo.
Yeah.
How can I take your order today? Gano'n na, kasi online na lang sila lahat. Nakikita na lang ng mga, nagpe-prepare ng mga orders mo sa screen na lang. So, gano'n na lahat ngayon. And US is really preparing the, what they call this, 4-day work week. So, they're gonna need a lot of VAs.
So, maging in demands.
It will be if you take it as an advantage because we are Filipinos, kasi tayo naman talaga ang parang tayo ang kilala when it comes to social media. We're the
number one na actually may recent study.
Yeah, recent study. That's data driven talaga ha. That the number one user
of social media
is Filipino. Kaya nga itong mga Amerikano, mga foreign, mga Hollywood star.
Nakiki-clickbait,
ginagamit ang
Filipino content.
Yes, and even ang Pinas, ginagamit tayo. Imaginein mo.
Kasi mabilis ang growth nila dito.
Yes, kasi itong mga matatalino. Magaling gumawa ng memes, magaling magpa-viral, gawa ng mga clip para pag binuo mo, magiging istorya na. Ganyan tayo kagaling. Literal chismosa.
Yeah. So at least you are in this industry and you're helping others also to become successful, diba? Sana
nga ma-help ko sila. Yun naman ang goal. Pero hindi lang ako makatulong sa kanila. They have to help themselves. I always remind them, this is not, I'm just your guide. But you have to lead the way. Kasi your successful is based on you, not based on me. Whatever I'm gonna partake on you,
ikaw na bahala dyan.
It's just a road. It's just a map. Pero you have to lead the way. Hindi naman pwede na ako ang magsipag para sa'yo.
Hindi naman to spoon feeding, di ba?
Yes. But I will be there. I will help you. Up to you. You have to show up every day. Show up every day. Kahit hindi mo na alam anong gagawin mo, show up. I have this VA nga of 1 month pa lang siya sa akin. Handling 4 accounts. Siya ito dito. Ngayon, mag-Sleeping Beauty na lang. Be? Ay! Tama yan! Upload mo na. Hindi niya alam. Hindi ko taga binasa yun. Tulog ako. I trust her.
Pero at least okay naman, di ba? I mean, she can do it.
Turns out well. And now, there's so malaki. I own a VA agency.
Wow!
I'm a co-founder of a VA agency in the US. And aside from me doing VA works, I'm coaching.
So, may gusto ka bang parang message naman sa public?
Actually, wala. Nasabi ko na lahat. Nasa inyo na lang if you wanna keep on wasting your time na sirain ako. It's up to you. I'm happy. I'm earning dollars. And I've already explained this to all of my family members. Yun lang ang hihingi ako ng want to take this opportunity to personally say sorry to my family, yung mga tiyahin ko, yung mga pinsan ko. But I have to, ibahin yung sarili ko. Pag tinatanong nga ako, kaya nga hindi ko masabi-sabi. Oo, exactly. Sana, kasi hindi naman ka-proud yung... Pero alam ko yung mga child ko. I know. They're proud of me. Lalo na yung ninang ko, yung nanay ko. Lalo na yung tatay ko. Yung tatay ko. Yan lang. Salamat lang ako na Natingin ako ng pasensya na I'm trying my best. Again, lumalaban tayo ng patas.
Of course.
So, yun lang aking message. Salamat sana na-inspire ko kayo at sana let's help each other and tawirin natin yung tunnel. This time, you will not cross the tunnel alone. I will try and share the light to you, especially in the VA journey.
So that's the end of our special episode of In Focus with Bitan. So I hope na-inspire kayo sa kanyang story and magsilbing aral. Ano yung based sa kanyang kinuwento sa atin. So, goodbye and thank you. See you on the next episode.